Now, Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
It is hot, dry, and really smoky out there in some areas as wildfires burn all across the region. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff is tracking conditions for us. Jason, in the valleys it's looking pretty sunny, but it doesn't really tell the full picture, does it?
Yeah, everyone has the smoke, but in the valley, it's a little bit high enough that we'll just call it a hazy day rather than just downright smoky. It's definitely smokier, though, for our foothills as well as the mountains, both of Trinity County and around Plumas and Lassen counties with the McFarland and Monument fires, and also the Dixie fires, respectively. Looking at the air quality, you can see it is a lot worse. Once again, in Trinity County, we've had very poor air quality around Weaverville. It's actually worse today around the Redding area and much of Shasta County than it has been for a while. Not as bad for Tehama, Glenn, and also Butte counties, but still not good. It's mainly in the moderate category, too unhealthy for sensitive groups, and has also been quite poor around many parts of Lassen and Plumas counties. We also have more heat going forward. First of all, for Siskiyou County, we have an excessive heat warning through Saturday night. That's how long it lasts. It began this afternoon at 1 p.m. We also have more heat advisories for Modoc, eastern Siskiyou County, as well as all of Trinity County. That's going to start tomorrow afternoon and last through Thursday and Friday. So everybody's going to be hot. We just don't have advisories or warnings for the valley. But as you can see, it is a hot day. We had a high of 104 today in Redding. It's right now 103, 100 degrees in Chico, 94 degrees. It's a hot day in Paradise. And even with all that smoke around Chester, it's still 91 degrees. Most places have heated once again from 1 to 4 degrees compared to yesterday afternoon. Still not a lot of cloud cover outside. There were a few cirrus clouds outside this morning. You could see through the haze. We have a few clouds trying to build up over the Sierra, but not a lot of moisture outside right now. That is going to change, though. We do expect more monsoon and moisture to start moving our way. You still see all the smoke in the air from the Dixie fire, the Monument fire, as well as the McFarland fire. But going forward, there's going to be a little bit of cirrus cloud cover over Siskiyou County by early tomorrow morning. Not much except for haze and smoke further south, and then waves of monsoon and moisture will start moving our way. Not much tomorrow, a slight chance for some mountain thunderstorms, mainly well south of our viewing area. But by Thursday, it gets a little bit more interesting. Here's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Isolated thunderstorms trying to break out, again, mainly over the higher terrain. They're going to try to scoot down to the valley, but most will be unsuccessful. Just keep in mind, we could have some more lightning strikes that we do not want going forward. And then we're going to have a little bit more in the way of monsoon moisture again over the higher terrain, isolated showers and storms over the Sierra, the southern Cascades, and then another change, a bigger change for us. Trough of low pressure starts to push on shore. That'll bring us slightly stronger breezes, especially Monday and Tuesday. Also another chance for some mountain showers, but do not expect any widespread rain. We'll just have a gradual cooling down to more average air levels as we move into early next week, but it's still going to be hot going forward. So here's your forecast for Wednesday for the northern mountains, upper 90s and lower 100s, 103 degrees for Wairika, Weaverville, and Hayfork. Lots of 90s, even 100 degrees for a high tomorrow in Quincy, 93 degrees in Chester, and it will still be smoky under a mostly sunny sky, mostly sunny and smoky and hot for the Ridge too. Most temperatures will be in the 90s tomorrow. Paradise will be 97, 93 in Concal, and 95 degrees for Magalia. Hazy but mild for the valley tonight with lows in the 60s. Going to be hotter tomorrow. 105 to 107 degrees from Corning northward through Red Bluff and Redding and the Chico area. 60s and lower 70s tonight. Highs a little bit higher than it was today. 102 to 103 degrees. We're not done with that heat yet, but there is a little relief coming. We're going to have increasing clouds, more breezes by Monday and Tuesday, dropping from 102 to 95 in Chico. And for Redding, still a lot of heat from 105 to 108 degrees tomorrow through Saturday, then cooling to an average of 100 degrees Sunday through Tuesday.